Hey everyone, if you didn't catch my last video that I just dropped about my worst Christmas present ever, make sure you check that out. But in going with that, unfortunately I'm not going to have a lot of money laying around to throw into the skid loader, so I called up Dad because I remembered we had this engine on a go-kart when we were kids. It's an 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin. I don't know if it runs. It's probably been 10 years at least since it's been running, but it is free. I mean, the engine's not stuck. I got it for free too, but the engine's not stuck. Relatively good shape. It did sit outside for that whole time, so unfortunately it needs some cleanup. But we're gonna see if we can't make this thing run. If we can, it's gonna go in the skid loader. Parts and everything are still available for it. I did some looking on that. So for now, that's the plan. I'm gonna keep this one short, but just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still making progress. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for more.